Hi guys, what we're going to do is we're going to cover the first class that we taught on Saturday at 2 o'clock. All right, we did leverage dips and drops part 1. All right, so the first one we did came from a roll in, right? So we wrapped our follower in. So we're going 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm picking up both shoulder blades as then I take my center and I open up to my left so that we can sit in for 5, 6. All right, and then I'm just gonna lead her out. Okay, so again, from the top of there, we're going 1, 2, 3, and 4. I take my center, I go into my right leg, 4, 5, 6, opening this up and sending out. All right, noticing that when both go into our right leg, we're supporting our own weight. Okay, there is no full weight support at this time, right? My shoulders are split weight. My center is over top of her right, her center is over top of my right. We just open up, controlling our own balance, and then releasing out of it. Okay, from there we went into a little bit more of a weight support. We're taking it, we're gonna line up both of our right sides. Okay, so we're going 1, 2, 3, and 4. I've now lined up both right sides as opposed to where we were before, which was here. I lined up both right sides, and instead of going into my right, I'm going to go into my left. The follower is going to keep both of their legs straight as I dip into this here. I release, and the exit's the same, just send her out. Okay, so again, all the way through. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, whatever you would like to do from that position. We did have a question in the class about how to avoid, should you not want to go into this last one. It's kind of tricky. Followers, one thing you have to realize when this happens, if you are going to avoid it, you have to be able to read body mechanics very clearly. Okay, so the difference between the two is I'm staying closer to you, lining you up. The second one, I'm further away from the connection. So all you can do as a follower, is hope for the best, is when you wrap in, is actually giving a lot of compression through that dip, as opposed to just resting your hands. Try and get a little bit of away connection, and then open your body as he starts to rotate. So as I'm going through this rotation, walk, walk, triple step, give that compression, and as he opens up, tuck this foot back, right? So that you're still self-supported, right? So as we're going through, right, 1, 2, 3, and she's going to give this compression here. She's keeping herself away, and even if I open to turn, all she has to do is step that foot back, and she's still supporting her own weight and no longer becomes a full weight supported move. Thank you.